Hi everyone, it's Jake here from First Chat Dents and welcome back to another paintless dent removal video. Today it's just a quick one. This was a sharp bodyline crease I did a couple of days ago on a 2016 Skoda Fabia. We think it was caused by some plastic guttering falling from the side of the house in some high winds. It's not the biggest dent you've seen me do, although it's not the smallest. But it's a really good example to show you that if you apply the right techniques when removing a dent like this, it shouldn't take too long to do. The result shown here was achieved in well under an hour. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, as you can see, the impact point of this dent was right on the body line, which has taken in an area of approximately 6 centimetres by 25 centimetres. So from a small impact point, it's created a fair size repair area. The impact created a figure of 8 shape across both sides of the body line, which is very common on bodyline impacts. So how are we going to fix this? Well, with a good game plan, the right tools and plenty of patience. It's worth mentioning that for some reason it doesn't have an internal bonnet trim, which would normally have been situated here. However, as this area is visually exposed, it's important not to use any sharp metal tips that could leave any scratching underneath. So I'm using my Edgy Tools Push Perfect hanger on this one, which fits nicely into the factory holes here. After applying some gentle heat, I'm using a nylon tip with my ultra dense screw-on tip bar to start working the middle of this crease out. So I'm choosing to position my tool tip just behind the dent and bring the bar towards me. This is just what works for me. Other techs may choose to go the opposite direction, but there's no right or wrong way here. For the sake of keeping this video nice and short and straight to the point, I'll speed some of these slow parts up. Using my knockdown, I'm tapping down any areas that have come out too high, which will happen on a dent like this, as the metal is really locked up in this middle portion and needs a huge amount of force behind it to get it moving. I'm still using plenty of gentle heat here to ensure the paint is flexible and won't split. Now, as you can see, the main bulk of the dent is out, so it's time to switch up to my root beer tip. This will get into any tight areas and won't leave any scratch marks underneath the panel. Now for me, looking into the LED fog board from the front, it looks as if this dent is almost done. But this shows the importance of always cross-checking your work, because after moving the light to a different angle and checking over the repair, it's highlighted some very minor low areas that need to be lifted up, as you can quite clearly see here. Okay, so after a little bit more fine tuning, this job is done. Well, thanks again everyone for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. As always, I'll link all the tools used in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment and I'll try my best to answer as many as I can. If you like the video, it'd be great to get a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed already, then why not click that subscribe button and you'll be kept in touch with all the latest videos. Well, that's it for now, but I look forward to seeing you all on the next video.